How to change your phone number in Outlook. Changing your phone number in Microsoft Outlook can be confusing, especially since there isn't a dedicated web page. First of all, go to the Outlook website and log in. Then, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen to open Account Manager. Now, on the drop down menu, choose My Profile. Then simply click the Your Info tab at the top. On this new page, click Edit Account Info, then sign into your account again. Now select the phone number you want to change, then click Remove. There is no direct way to edit a number. You will have to take it out to change it. Click Add Phone Number. Then enter a new number that you want from your account and click Next. A code will be sent to your phone when received. Enter the verification code and your number will now be set to your account. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.